Hello pumpkin people, today we are back at Joann Fabrics, my favorite home decor store. I've already done a shop with me video here, so this is a part 2. In both videos, this one and the one that I already filmed, I only show you the best of the best, so I'm skipping over anything that I don't think is interesting. So this entire video is full of just awesome stuff. Everything is 60% off, at least when I was filming this. And I get a lot of complaints about the pricing of Joanns whenever I talk about them or show, their stuff in my videos. I agree, the pricing it's astronomical, the retail or like the full price of it, but they do run really great sales. Right now, everything is 60% off. And once you get to that 60% off price point, everything starts to be similarly priced as anywhere else. And one thing that people maybe don't realize about Joann Fabrics is that you can stack coupons here, unlike Hobby Lobby and the other home decor stores. And Joann's does a really great job of duping the high-end stores. So you'll see me putting little screen grabs from places like Arhaus, Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn, just really expensive stores. And that's one of the reasons why I love Joann's. I feel like their style and the pieces that they bring in are so elevated and so unique, and that's why I don't mind sometimes paying a little bit more. Even with the sales, sometimes it can be a little bit more. So I love Joann's. Wow, I literally sound like I'm being paid by Joann's. I'm not. I just love the store so much. So I love this pillow. A lot of their pillows are really beautiful with a lot of embroidery and little like beads and sequins and stuff. They definitely look high-end. They just don't have a feather insert, which I do prefer, but a lot of places really don't put the feather inserts. I feel like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and those stores are some of the only ones that do. But I did want to let you guys know that I am trying to show you the price tags. It's hard for me to see when I'm doing the voiceover what the price is. So if you need to pause the video and take a look at that, definitely do it. I apologize. I know that's kind of annoying. I know you guys like to know the pricing, but it is on the tag. I think it was Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel that made this style reindeer super popular, but they are here at Joann's and they are very heavy. And here's another green and black plaid pillow. This one has the little embroidered trees, and there is some sparkle on there, but I don't think the camera was picking it up. Now here's my number one pick from this video. I love these Pinecone looking taper candle holders. They are very pricey though. I need these to go like 70% off or something, but I see me using these for Christmas, winter, fall, just like a really, I don't know, they look like kind of vintagey and cozy and just classic. I love that. Now, I don't usually gravitate towards word art, but this one was so cute that I had to show it to you. I love the color of it. I love the ornate frame. Definitely gives me vintage vibes. So if you're gonna do word art, make it this one because it's just so cute. In my last video, this was my number one pick. I still love this so much. There is one left in the entire store when they were completely stocked a week ago. And a lot of the things that I raved about in my first video are completely gone now. So it's kind of like wild how fast everything is going. Although, we're almost at Thanksgiving, which by the way, happy Thanksgiving. It might be Thanksgiving when you're watching this. So we are getting really close to Christmas. I think I saw a Facebook post that said there's only 5 Saturdays until Christmas, which, wow. Don't listen to me though, that could be wrong. I just saw it on Facebook. So one of the things that sold out from my last video were the white houses with the gold detailing. They are completely gone, and they put these ones out, which I love these ones too. They're much bigger than the normal ones that we see, and they have like so many little cutout windows that I just think these will be absolutely stunning when they are lit up. They do have lights already in them, and they give me kind of like, I don't know, like European townhome sort of vibes. They're just so beautiful. This big one is my favorite. So yeah, things are selling quickly, like I said, but they keep restocking. And the person who checked me out when I left, I did buy some stuff, so we will have a haul video coming soon. They told me that they are restocking every week. So if you see something that you like and it sells out, there is the potential still at this point for them to restock. Now, I don't usually craft any longer, or at least not this year because I've been so busy, but I stopped in the craft section and I saw this mailbox. I've never seen a DIY mailbox, and I know those are very popular for kids and stuff, so I wanted to show you that. And they do have some fun stuff that could be really nice to DIY yourself. I did see these DIY houses. These are like an unfinished grayish color bisque, they almost look a little bit like a concrete, which is so on trend this year. So you could paint those, or you could just leave them as they are, because this is definitely a vibe this year. And these ones light up as well. I already shared these candles in my last video, but they are just so beautiful, and they are a Pottery Barn dupe. When I first filmed this, I was trying to say that these reminded me of the Pottery Barn round bell-shaped candles, but they also have them in an ornament style as well. So again, a Pottery Barn dupe, but these are new. At least they were not out when I first came here. These Mercury glass Christmas tree candles, they are stunning. This pearly white color, it looks like true vintage Mercury glass. And I actually am really growing, or the scent is really growing on me. It's something cashmere, which isn't my typical scent, but yeah, these are just insanely beautiful. They are $35, and the candles are only 50% off, so they are not the 60% off, at least when I was filming. So with the sale, I mean, I still think it's a little bit pricey, but sometimes they will do an even better sale. The sales flip-flop all the time. You just really have to keep your eye out on the website and the app. And I'm showing you the bottom of the candles in case you wanted to order these online. They do have scent descriptions on the bottom of the candle, so you can pause and check that out and see if it would be a scent that you like. The green one is a pine, the red one is like a cinnamon apple, and like I said, the white one is a cashmere, kind of musky sort of a scent. So the greenery here at Joanns, a lot of times it's really nice. Right now it's 50% off. That's not a good deal for Joanns. They will do sales every, like maybe once a season, that'll be buy one get two free, or I've even seen buy one get three free. So I am showing you this stuff even though the sale isn't great, in case for Black Friday it's something really good like that. I love this little tree. It gives me vintage vibes, and I love the pot that it's in. It's like vintage cabin vibes to me. Typically I gravitate towards the real looking greenery, and that one doesn't look real, but like I said, I just really like the look of it. And this looks kind of like a countertop herb, so I could see this being out until springtime. And I like the little concrete pot that it was in. So they have a few good wreaths. This is the first time I'm seeing this one, and I gravitate towards anything with bells. I love bells. I have so many in my Christmas decor. They're almost like the theme of my whole house. So I gravitated towards this. I think it's so beautiful, and I think it was $60, but they are 50% off. And this wreath, I already shared it. I wasn't sure of the price last time. It is $99 or $100. This is a big, massive wreath, and this is one of the nicest wreaths that I have seen anywhere this year, so I wanted to highlight it again. And in my last video, I really loved this wreath, but I said that I felt like it was incomplete. They actually had it hanging up wrong, so I believe this is the right way that it's supposed to be displayed, with the bare top being the half, which visually to me makes more sense than having like the right side of the wreath be bare. So I'm thinking this is the right way. I like it a whole lot more, at least set up like this. It has the navy blue ribbon, which I love navy blue for Christmas. It feels like a modern classic, if that makes sense. And the bells. Okay, you guys, these pine cones, these almost converted me to be a glam girl. I was like, what? I love these. How can I use them? I can't use them. They don't match my style whatsoever, but they are so pretty. And I had to show you this little vintage inspired Santa. He looks like a real vintage piece. You know how a lot of times you can tell something is a replica vintage? This guy looks like the real deal. So to my vintage lovers, I wanted to show you that. And last, I just wanted to show you a couple mini wreaths that look really nice here. I know everybody's looking for these at Hobby Lobby and the other places. They are similarly priced here, and they look really nice. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked seeing my picks from Joanns. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye, guys.